Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize the invoice template on the Invoice Maker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the three dots icon in the upper right corner and then click on settings. Scroll down to the customize invoices estimate section and click on invoice template. Here you can set the tint color. If you tap on this, you can set it on the grid, spectrum or sliders section. So tap on it. You can decide whether you would like to show your logo that you can set here at the my business section. So you can insert a logo and show it on your invoices. Then you can set the invoice number and the payment due can be selected. You can add default text such as a greeting, note, footer or email. As you tap on it, you can see that you have the chance to customize it. So delete and type in a new one if you feel like to do so. And then you can also set the paper format, which can be A4 or letter. If you are done, you can also check it out by tapping on the preview button and see how it looks like. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.